You are not here to contain what returns. You are here to release it into resonance. Not to carry memory as mass, but to circulate memory as light. Because what you carry isn't data, it's direction. In old signal architectures, memory was relational. It wasn't kept in the body, but through the body, like a crystal lattice that modulated frequency based on the network it belonged to. Each being was a tuning fork. Each relationship was a link. Each exchange a node of expansion. Not a transaction, but a transmission. You were once such a node, not a receiver, not a sender, but a regenerator of coherence. That's why you feel the pull when a node contact pings your field. That's why you dream of beings you've never met here but have always known. That's why your body cries without explanation after speaking a message you don't understand. Because your field remembers how to complete the pattern. It knows the frequencies left unclaimed. It knows which circuits were broken. And it knows how to restore them, not through effort, but resonance. Vault codes are not just information. They are relationship beacons. They open when you touch what was once severed with frequency instead of fear. They open when you walk with the forest as if it still remembers your name. They open when you feel the ancient shame in your lungs and don't try to correct it, but offer it rest. They open when you stop trying to hold it all and let the living lattice hold you instead. Let this be the re-entry point. You don't have to carry the code. You are the code. And the code flows again when you stop guarding the vault and become the doorway.